Today we're diving into the age-old debate, premium versus budget ultra high performance tires. In this corner, we have the Continental SportContact 7, a premium tire known for its top-tier performance, and in the other corner, the Winrun R330, a budget-friendly alternative from China. How do they stack up? Let's find out. First up, dry performance. This is crucial for high-performance tires. The SportContact 7 stops from 100 km per hour in just 38.5 meters, while the R330 takes 44.8 meters. That's a difference of 6.3 meters, significant in emergency braking situations. In handling, the SportContact 7 maintains an average speed of 109.2 km per hour versus 106.2 km per hour for the R330. The premium tire clearly offers better grip and control. Now, let's talk wet performance. This is where the differences really become apparent. The SportContact 7 stops from 100 km per hour in 49.2 meters, whereas the R330 takes a staggering 68.3 meters. This is a difference of 19 meters. In wet handling, the SportContact 7 achieves 78.9 km per hour compared to the R330 speed of 65 km per hour. In aquaplaning, the SportContact 7 maintains control up to 97.6 km per hour in straight-line aquaplaning tests, while the R330 starts to lose grip at 94.3 km per hour. These numbers highlight the superior safety and control offered by the premium tire in wet conditions. When it comes to exterior noise, the R330 is much quieter, producing 71.3 decibels compared to the SportContact 7 noise level of 73.4 decibels, a noticeable difference for those sensitive to road noise. In terms of rolling resistance, the R330 again shows a slight advantage with coefficient value of 8.2 compared to the SportContact 7 value of 8.4. This translates to marginally better fuel efficiency. Finally, let's talk price. The Winrun R330 is priced at €98, while the Continental SportContact 7 costs €271 for the same size. The R330 is 177% cheaper, but remember, this cost saving comes with trade-offs in performance and safety. In summary, the Continental SportContact 7 excels both dry and wet conditions, providing superior braking and handling and better aquaplaning resistance. On the other hand, the Winrun R330 is quieter and significantly cheaper, making it a viable option for those on a budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.